Go.
Hey y'all, Bubba here. Today I will show you how to make stuffed waffles. You need jumbo biscuits. Make your own or cheat and take them out of the can. Roll them out. About like yay. I'm going to stuff mine with bacon and scrambled eggs. You can stuff yours with anything you want. You roll your biscuits out. Now I have mine on a non-stick mat that I'm rolling them on. And then I'll show you how to fill them. We're going to put them in the waffle maker and turn them into waffles. Okay, we got, okay, y'all. Here we go, alright. Okay. We got our biscuit rolled out. Put some cheese on it. We chopped up our bacon. Put some bacon on it. Put some egg in it. Then you're going to fold it over and make a pocket. Okay. Then we're going to put them in the waffle maker. So. Cheese. Now all these ingredients, like I said, customizable. Put anything you want in it. We're going cheese, bacon, scrambled eggs. Now if you want super fluffy scrambled eggs, refer back to the video where I showed you how to make scrambled eggs the right way. Quit making them the wrong way, make them the right way. Okay, now I'll get some more of these, get the rest of these stuffed. And then I'll show you how to put them in the waffle maker. We'll be back with y'all. Alright, y'all. Take your pocket, put it in your waffle maker. Make sure you grease your waffle maker. Make a mess like I just did. Give them a few minutes. They don't take long per side. You gotta stop and remember, everything inside is already cooked. You're just cooking the dough. Almost done. Take a little sneak peek from time to time if you need to. Yeah, buddy. These be so good to make you want to slap your mama. Have a plate nearby that's Andy. Andy and Dandy, Andy and Andy. Get the cheese out there. Squirt her a little bit. Boop, 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 boop. Get you another pocket. Another lovely pocket. Put her on there. Flipper, flopperty, flipper.
We'll show you the plates when they're done.
2, 1, action. Rolling. Quiet on the set. Alright. So here's your stuffed waffles. As you can see closely, there's all your stuffing inside of it. If you don't want half waffle, you want a full-size waffle. To do that, same process, only use one biscuit as the bottom. Put all your stuff on it and then roll out another biscuit and use it so you use 2 biscuits, the top and the bottom. Stuff it just like you would a pie. Put your bottom one down, your stuffing, and then your top one, pinch it shut. Put it in your waffle maker. There you go. Bacon, egg, and cheese stuffed waffles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, favorite, subscribe. Links are in the description below for Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. Shoot on over Bubba's Custom Gifts. Subscribe there. Comment below any videos you'd like to see. And I'll catch you all down the road.